In this video, I'll show you how to add your Snapchat link to Instagram story. So if you want to add Snap link in Insta story, this video is for you. First of all, now open up your Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, go to your profile. In this section now, tap on this share icon and tap on this copy to copy the link of your Snapchat. Now close your Snapchat and go and open a browser. You can use any browser. After you open browser, just go and search for link shortener. Link shortener like this. Search for link shortener like this. After you search for link shortener like this, all you have to do now, go and just open any link, any website. I'll use this one. After you open the website, now paste in your link like this and tap on this shorten. So from there, now here is my link. Tap on this copy. Now go and open up your Instagram. After you copy the link, now open Instagram. After you open your Instagram, now tap on your profile like this. After you open your profile, tap on this plus icon. Go to story. So now you can go ahead now and upload the video or picture you want to add to your story, or you can just now do like this and take a picture. You can take a picture, but for me, I'll just go ahead now and just select a picture. I'll just use this one. After you select what you want to add to your story and tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this icon. So from this section now, go and search for link. So after you search for link like this, now here is the link. So now paste in your link in this section that you copy. Tap on this done button. So now here is my link. Now you can just go ahead now and resize it. So I'll just resize it and add it in this section now, and tap on this now share button. Share your story. So now I added my story. So now if you want to view the link, tap on your story like this. Allow it now to finish loading. It is loading my story like this. So after it finish loading my story, as you can see now, before I added one, here is the one that I added. Now if I tap on this visit, now it will take me to my Snapchat. That's it guys on how to add your Snapchat link to Instagram story. Please like and subscribe.